Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store and type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this app from this developer and click on Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show up. When they do, you need to select while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using the app, allow. Then click on Home button. Now you need to choose Don't Ask Again, tap on iOS Launcher, click on Got It, and as you can see after that, my Apple layout was applied successfully on this REALME. If you wish to, you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings. Then scroll down, click on App Management over here and select Default Apps. Lastly, click on Home app. If you wish to go back into your default one, you need to click on System Launcher. In order to apply Apple one, just click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!